What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and I'm back with another free play video for you today. Quick recap of yesterday though. We ended up losing one unit yesterday. So it could have been a lot worse, but you hate when you lose. So it wasn't very fun, but we only went down one unit, but we profited 21 on Saturday. So I ended up having a great weekend overall. Sunday's games just weren't that great. But we're back for today. We got a free play video for you between the Buffalo Bills and the New York Jets playing tonight. But a quick recap of some wins yesterday. We had this 5 into 15 over on BETR. This was over on Chalkboard, part of their 6-pack discounts with Garrett Nussmeier and AJ Brown, 10 into 31 there. Another one for 10 into 31 with Trey Harris and Zay Flowers. Another one of their 6-pack discounts with Bijan Robinson and Jalen Noel for 10 into 30. So these are great. If you guys aren't on Chalkboard yet, use the code 907 Fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match. So you'll have $100 to go and play with. And then they do these 6-pack discounts every single week. So go and play these. If you guys want any of those, they're also going to be on VIP. So take advantage of all those. The VIP pass just dropped today for this next week and this weekend. So go over to Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Get signed up. If you use the code CHASE, that's going to get you 75% off. I believe I stocked it for 10. A couple have already used it. So there's only a few left over there. So make sure to go and take advantage of that. It's going to sell out this week, so make sure you take advantage of it. Lastly, we won a couple more on the late game between Cincinnati and the Giants. We won this 2-man with Jack Flaherty and Jamar Chase. This one with Chase Brown and Daniel Jones. Got that in the very, very last little bit of the game there. And this one with Jamar Chase and Darius Slayton. So we won those over on Chalkboard. And like I said, the new VIP pass just dropped. Normally $100. Use the code CHASE. That's going to give you 75% off. So $25 for the week. You're going to make your money back. Take advantage of it. There's only a few spots left. So let's hop into what we're doing for the free play today. We're going back over on Chalkboard. Like I said, if you guys are new to Chalkboard, go over there. Use the code 907 Fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match. So you'll have $200 to go play with if you put in $100. And then you can go smack these plays today. So they give out multiple discounted lines and boosted lines every single day. So this one, we're taking the discounted line of Aaron Rodgers at 144.5 passing yards. He's easily going to get this, especially after the new coaching change there. He's going to air out the ball tonight. So we're loving the over 145 passing yards. And then we're taking his wide receiver 1, Garrett Wilson, more than 4.5 receptions. And then Keon Coleman of the Buffalo Bills, more than 35.5 receiving yards. So that's the 3-man there. It's going to more than double up your money. So make sure to go over there and get that locked in. That is the free play for today. If you guys are going to be tailing me on that, let me know down in the comments below. Quick video today. I got to get this out for you guys so you have time to lock it in. But if you're going to be tailing me on that, let me know down in the comments below. Also, all the links to BETR, Chalkboard, Winible, all those are going to be down in the description below to go and get signed up and take advantage of all these deals and go over there and get signed up for VIP. If you guys want more free plays, those are going to be up here on the Winible, Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Let's go cash. Let's go have another amazing day and go profit on this Monday Night Football game. So good luck with all your plays today, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.